Here's a 2014 Honda Ridgeline. It's where tough and intelligent merge, providing a ride that's so smooth you'll think the world's flat. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, power sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds the ride is comfortably quiet. Rubber isolates front and rear subframes to help keep road harshness out of the cabin. Lightweight, noise-absorbing materials are used for the dashboard insulation, carpet, and behind the rear seats. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Experience it for yourself today.